Shopify shut down its free built-in product reviews app. A lot of store owners went looking for it and found out it's gone. And when they looked at the replacement options, everything on the App Store seemed to start at $20 or $30 a month. In this video, I'll show you the best, genuinely free alternative, how to install it, and how to set it up so that review request emails go out automatically after every order. You'll have a fully functional review system running today without paying for it. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and here on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you build smarter Shopify stores and grow your e-commerce business. Let's get into it. Why reviews are non-negotiable for conversions. Let's start with why this matters enough to spend time on it. Customers don't trust your product descriptions. They trust other customers. When someone lands on your product page and sees no reviews, their immediate assumption is one of two things. Either nobody has bought this product or the store's hiding something. Neither of those assumptions helps your conversion rate. Reviews do the opposite. They lower the risk of buying. They answer questions the product description doesn't. They create social proof that turns browsers into buyers. Studies consistently show that adding reviews to a product page increases conversion rate, and that products with even a handful of reviews outperform products with none. And here's the compounding effect. Review content adds keyword-rich text to your product pages that helps with SEO. When customers write reviews mentioning how they use the product, what problem it solved, or how the sizing runs, they're adding language to your page that search engines index and that future customers search for. So reviews aren't a nice to have. They're a core part of how your store converts and how your pages rank. You need them. What happened to Shopify's free reviews app? For years, Shopify offered a free first-party product reviews app. It was basic but functional. In 2024, Shopify shut it down completely. Stores that had it installed lost access. New stores can no longer install it. This pushed a lot of store owners toward paid review platforms like Yotpo, Okendo, and Stamp, which are powerful but can be expensive. Yotpo's free tier exists, but it caps out at 50 orders a month. The moment you cross that, you're on the paid plan at around $89 a month. For a new store or a store still finding its margins, that's a real cost. The good news is that Judge.me fills the exact gap that Shopify's discontinued app left, and it's free. Judge.me, the best free reviews app for Shopify. Judge.me is a Shopify reviews app with a genuinely free plan. Not a free trial, not a free tier that locks all the useful features behind a paywall. A real free plan that includes the features most stores need. Here's what the free plan includes. Unlimited review requests sent automatically after orders, text reviews, photo reviews, and video reviews, in-email review submission, which means customers can write their review directly in the email without being sent to a separate page, display widgets for your product pages, including star ratings in a review section, automatic review reminders for customers who didn't respond to the first request, and SEO benefits from review content being indexed by Google. The free plan does include Judge.me branding in the review request emails, similar to how MailChimp shows their branding on free tier emails. For most stores, especially those just starting out though, this is a completely reasonable trade-off. The paid plan starts at around $15 a month, removes the branding, and adds features like custom themes, advanced analytics, and priority support. But the free plan handles everything you need to start collecting and displaying reviews effectively. Installing Judge.me. So if you don't already have a Shopify store, you can click the link down below in the description to get started with a free 3-day trial. After that, your first 3 months are just $1 each. So links down in the description to get started so you can follow along. From there, go ahead and navigate your way to the App Store and search for Judge.me. Click the result by Judge.me, then click Add App, then click Install App in your Shopify admin. Installation just takes a minute. So go ahead, come over here, click on Install, click Install one more time, and it's going to run us through this little setup wizard. We'll go ahead and say just starting out. We'll just say no for now. We'll install the review widget. All right, so this is saying, we'll click on the button below, check if the review widget block is present. Once installed, you'll see Judge.me in your app section. Open it. You'll go through a short setup wizard that connects the apps to your products and configures the basic. Just follow the prompts. At the end of the setup, Judge.me will import any existing reviews that you have from other platforms or from Shopify's discontinued app if you had any. Setting up automatic review request emails. So this is the most important configuration step. An automatic review request email goes goes out to every customer a set number of days after their order is marked as fulfilled. You don't have to think about it. It runs itself. Inside the Judge.me app, go to the email settings or automated request section. You'll see an option to configure when the review request goes out. The default is usually around 14 days after fulfillment. That's a reasonable starting point because it gives the customer enough time to receive and use the product before you ask them to evaluate it. For products that take longer to evaluate, like supplements or skinwear where customers want a few weeks of use before committing, extend the window to maybe 21 or 30 days. For products that customers immediately experience, like food, candles, or simple accessories, 7 to 10 days is fine. You can also customize the email subject line and body text. This is worth doing. The default subject line will sound something like, "How was your order from store name?" That works, but a more specific line, like first name, "What do you think of product name?" That feels more personal and gets better open rates. Keep the review request email short. One clear ask, one button. The simpler the email is, the higher the completion rate. So we'll come in here to customize this email. So here are all the different emails that you can come in here and go ahead and edit. So this is the initial request here, and here's another one. So you can just come in here and go ahead and make any changes that you'd like. Adding reviews to your product pages. After installation, Judge.me automatically adds a review widget to your product pages. You don't have to configure this manually in most cases. Check your live product pages to confirm the widget is showing up. You'll see a star rating below the product title and a review section lower on the page. If the widget isn't appearing or the placement isn't where you want it, go to the Judge.me app and look for the theme widget or display settings section. You can adjust where the reviews appear and how the widget's styled. Now, one thing to check, make sure that the star rating widget is appearing at the top of the product page near the title and the price, not just in the review section lower down. That star rating near the top is the first social proof signal that a customer sees. If they have to scroll to find reviews, many won't bother. The quick star rating at the top confirms at a glance that other people have bought and approved the product. Responding to reviews. So Judge.me lets you respond to reviews publicly, which shows up below the customer's review on your product page. So this is worth doing, especially for early reviews when you're building up credibility. Responding to positive reviews reinforces the customer relationship. Responding to negative reviews in a professional, helpful way shows potential customers that you take concerns seriously and that you stand behind your product. A well-handled negative review can actually increase trust more than a string of 5-star reviews alone. So to respond, go to the review section in the Judge.me app and find the review you want to reply to and click reply. Keep responses brief and professional. Getting your first reviews if you have none. If your store is new and you have 0 reviews, the automated request system will start building your library as soon as orders come in. But there are a few ways to accelerate this. If you have existing customers who purchased before you had a review system in place, you can use Judge.me to send a one-time review request campaign to past purchasers. This is a quick way to get your first batch of reviews from customers who already know the product. If you've done any product testing with friends, family, or early users, ask them directly to leave a review. Real experiences only though. A few genuine reviews at the start build the foundation that makes every subsequent review request more likely to convert. So Shopify's free reviews app is gone, but Judge.me replaces it completely on the free plan. Unlimited automated review requests, photo and video reviews, display widgets on your product pages, and SEO-friendly review content. So install it, set up your automated request timing, check that your star ratings are showing up on product pages, and let the reviews start coming in. If you're looking to set up your store but you're not on Shopify yet, we'll have the link for you down in the description below. 3 days for free, then $1 a month for your first 3 months. Links in the description. This is an affiliate link, which means we do earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. But that's it for this video. I'm Eric from Shopify Mastery. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.